Question number 11, which states that a particle of mass m and charge q moves with a constant velocity v along a positive x direction. It enters in a region containing a uniform magnetic field B vector directed along the negative z direction extended from x equal to a to x equal to 3a, the maximum value of v, so that the particle does not enter into region x greater than 3a. Now dear students, consider the situation in which this is the region, this is x equal to a and this is x equal to 3a. Here a uniform magnetic field directed along negative z direction is given, and here a particle is moving whose mass is m and charge is q in this direction. This is the positive x direction, this is x, y, and this is z direction. Okay. Now after entering in the magnetic field, it follow a circular path and move like this. Now as given conditions are given that it does not enter into region x greater than 3a, that means in this region it should not enter. That means it at least move perpendicular to the x direction. That means along the y direction it should move. Here by the condition we can see that the radius of this path should be less than or equal to 2a. Now here we can say that radius is given as mv by qv and it should be less than or 2a for does not enter in this region for x greater than 3a. Now here we can see that v should be less than qv into 2a divided by m. Now what will be the maximum value of v? So from here we can say that v maximum will be equal to 2q into b into a divided by m. Which option will be correct answer? Answer number 2 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 12, which states that in the given figure the magnetic field at point O will be. Now dear students, here there is three paths. One part is this, second part is circular, and third part is semi-infinite wire. Now we know that V at O will be equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3, but these are with vector sign. Now due to this section 1, magnetic field at this point will be inside. Due to this section 3, magnetic field will be outside, and due to this semicircular wire section, magnetic field will be also outside. This is from the right hand curl rule. Now here B naught will be equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi r. Due to this it is inside the plane, plus mu naught I divided by 4r due to the semicircular wire, and this is outside, plus due to third wire it will be mu naught I divided by 4 pi r, and it is also outside. Now from here this will cancel out this, and B naught will be equal to mu naught I upon 4r. Hence option number 1 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 13, which states that an electric current passes through a long straight wire. At a distance 3 cm from the wire, the magnetic field is B. Then magnetic field at 9 cm from the wire will be. Now dear students, we know that for a current carrying wire, magnetic field at a distance r is given as B equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Now all the things are same, that means B is proportional to 1 by r. So from here B1 upon B2 will be equal to R2 upon R1. Now here B1 is B and B2 is asked at distance 3 cm. That means at distance 3 cm this is B. Then at the distance 9 cm what will be the B2? From here B2 will be equal to B by 3. Hence option number 4 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 14, which states that due to a flow of current in a circular loop of radius r, the magnetic induction produced at the center of a loop is B and magnetic moment of coil is m. The value of B by m will be. Now dear student, we know that due to current carrying wire, if there is a current I, then what will be the magnetic field? Magnetic field at the center, that will be equal to mu naught I upon 2r. And what will be the magnetic moment? That will be I into area, that is pi r square. From here B by m will be equal to mu naught I divided by 2r whole divided by I into pi r square. Then I will cancel out, and here it will be equal to mu naught upon 2 pi r cube. Hence option number 3 is the correct answer. Now move to the question number 15, which states that when a charged particle moves in a uniform magnetic field, which one of the following always remains constant? Force, momentum, velocity and kinetic energy. Now dear student, we know that if a charged particle is moving in a magnetic field, then it may follow a circular path, straight line path or helical path. Now in all the situations, kinetic energy does not change because magnetic force does not do any work on a particle. Hence option number 4 will be the correct answer. Now move to the question number 16.